Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers again. This is the van that I bought yesterday. It's a 2002 Ford E350 Super Duty with a V8 Triton engine in it. Straight, clean, no dents, and huge cargo area, which is what I needed. This thing had stickers all over it. Decals, if you will. They're vinyl. This was on the door. It just peeled right off. I mean, you still had to pull it, you know. It took a while to pull it out. And of course it came off nicely. However, a little sticky. Yeah. This one's a big one over here. That'll take a while to get off. I'm thinking of just like pulling a little bit, cutting a strip. It's easier to pull off when they're in strips, you know. These letters are easy to take off. As long as you have a good blade, right? These are meant for taking off inspection stickers, registration stickers. As long as the blade is good, look at this. Look how easy this comes off. Just a slight little push upwards. I got a good supply of blades, so I ought to be able to get this off pretty easily. It's off glass, so it's really easy. See, that's the remnants of pulling it off, right? Can you guys see that? And then this blade would just get it off. Look at it split like that, you know? Sometimes if you wet it, it's even easier, you know? See, that's the glue that's on it, you know? So if you actually wet it with some Windex or something like that, it'll be even easier to come. It'll come off even easier. Look at that. So, you know, this will take me a day to get this off, you know? Not a big deal. It's a nice sunny day, a little hot, but, you know, work on my tan. My Bahamian tan is actually fading a bit. And next thing you know it'll be winter time and be snowblower season. It's a good thing about being a small engine guy, and I know you guys know this. It's all year long. You screw with lawn mowers and lawn tractors and weed whackers and chainsaws, and well, chainsaws actually is an all year long thing, you know, hurricanes, snowstorms, trees fall, firewood, all that other jazz, you know. So, I'm going to continue with that. I've got this ladder out over here because later I want to get that roof rack down. I don't want the roof rack because A, I don't need it, B, it's added weight, C, it makes it look like a utility cargo van, which I know it's a cargo van, but it doesn't have to look like a utility cargo van, you know. I kind of like that light. So I'm going to keep it on there for now, and I kind of like that backup mirror, the dome backup mirror, so that, you know, once I get used to driving this thing, you know, backing up, I won't hit anything, you know. So there's just a few more stickers over here to take off. This is all sticky over there, you know, the adhesive glue, that's the remnants of these stickers. So I had tried this years ago for my other Ranger, you know, it had that truck also had stickers. This is Matzenbacher's Liftoff. This stuff works great. It actually just feels like baby oil, to be honest with you. When you spray it on there, it's just really oily, you know. Anyway, it dissolves that glue, you know, and you just wipe it off, you know. It's really great. I don't have much left, so I think I have to go and get some more. But anyway, this is what I'm doing today, man. This is what it looks like now, and I'll give you a after later. Gotta be really careful when you're scraping the paint, you know. You just want to glide it over here so you can get a little piece, right? You put your thumb there so you can pull up on it. This was the F in follow us on Instagram. Hey guys, follow me on Instagram at Mowers Blowers. Check out my website, mowersblowers.com. Subscribe on my YouTube, fellas. Lots of interesting stuff going on in my life. The doing it strip by strip technique is much easier. When you use two hands, I'm only using one because I'm holding the camera, but if you do strips of like a foot wide each, are a lot easier to pull off than trying to pull off that whole piece by itself, you know. So these vinyl stickers, man, easy. I mean, the only bad thing about it is it leaves the sticky residue in some parts here. See, like right there. All right, I'm stuck. I'm stuck for good. That's it. I can't get out. All right, so this side's done. Back's done. I need to spray some of this. Damn. Just spray some of this Mossenbacher stuff on there and wipe it off. I got this part to do. Letters and the door. This part's really easy. I don't need to do strips because this part is on the side of the sun. The sun's been baking this thing for like all morning. So it's like lickety split pulling this off. So easy. I'm just leaning backwards, you know. Isn't it satisfying to peel off stickers? You just spray the windshield with water, or any kind of lubricant or Windex or whatever, right? And take your razor blade, and it makes it so easy to just get that residue off. Obviously, you can only do this with glass. You can't do this with the side of the truck because you'll scrape your paint right off. You know, you can only do it with glass. So that's what you got to do. I have to remove this sticker. Nothing against the Marines. Love the U.S. Marines. Semper Fi. Okay, but I don't want any bumper stickers on it, you know? So I have to remove this damn window cage just to get access to that sticker over here. I don't want any stickers. Well, maybe Boomer Sooner, but that's about it. Well, it took some doing, man. But I just loosened 4 bolts, 4 corners of that roof rack, tilted it one side, pushed it on the other, went to the other side, pulled it out slowly, pivoted it, slowly slid it down one side, put it on my shoulder and walked it over here. It's pretty heavy, man. I'm stronger than I thought, seriously. But that roof rack is done. I'm taking pictures of it, and I'm gonna list it on Let Go for like, oh, what do you guys think? 250? 150? 250. Got the stickers off of there. Registered the car. Can you believe this? I'm gonna take this whole thing off just to get that sticker off. Is that crazy or what? And you know what? I'm OCD like that, man. Can't stand the sticker. Gotta take it off. Lickety split, man. Just like that. That impact driver, man. It's awesome. Mowers and blowers. And of course, as long as I got this off, might as well clean it. What do I like to say, fellas? Clean your shit. Easy, man. If you guys are still using a rhat socket set, you're crazy. Go somewhere and buy one of these impact wrenches. 60 bucks. Saves you hours. There you go. Just like that, man. No sticker. So now I've got this area here where it looks kind of rough, you know what I'm saying? So I was gonna spray paint it, but honestly, uh-oh, that's trouble. Gotta lock the door. Honestly, spray paint is going to show, you know, these bumps and stuff. So since you can see that there's a line here, a line there, and a line there, I'm gonna just brush paint some gloss enamel right across here, because gloss enamel is thick and it'll cover up any bumps. It's not the space shuttle. It's just a cargo van. Getting that sticky stuff is taking me all day. It's okay. It's a nice day. So just turn on the lights for the first time. They work okay. This light doesn't work. $16.99 at Advanced Auto Parts. H6054 sealed beam. 2 bolts on the top. Four Phillips. You actually don't need to take all 4 off. You just take the 2 on the top off and then just pull it out. Disconnect the harness. And you can see a little moisture in there. Very corroded. Just like that. It's so easy. So I still have some sticky stuff to do, but all the stickers are off, and it's looking like a regular white van now. Painted that, removed all the lettering. I took off the bumper stickers, took off the roof rack, it's sitting right over there. Need to still do a once over on this with that Mossenbacher's adhesive remover. Changed the left front sealed beam headlight. Got it registered, insured. It's coming along. Anyway, tomorrow I will finish it up. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Thank you.